Hello everyone, in this video I will show you the quick access to Spotify on your MacBook, so make sure to watch the video until the very end. Here are 3 easy ways to add a Spotify with method on Get Spotify desktop widget from the Mac Edit widget. First, open the notification center control, click on your Mac and select the Edit widget. Then in the search widget box, type Spotify, click on the Spotify and drag the widget to your preferred location. Method 2. Add a Spotify widget using a Alpha Spotify mini player. First, download Alpha Spotify mini player from its official site. Then, open the workflow file and drag it into the Alpha. Now, follow the setup instructions and start using the mini player to control your Spotify music effortlessly. Method 3. Add a Spotify widget using a mini player. First, visit the mini player and download the tool. Then, install and set it up. Now, enjoy the song details, album art, and full playback control right from the desktop. Choose the method that suits you the best and enjoy the seamless Spotify playback on your MacBook. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. That's it.